Welcome everyone. My name is Dhruv and I am a student of Plus 1A. Today I will be showing you a physics experiment in which we will be finding out the center of mass of a complex body. Now in order to perform the experiment, we require two forks, one glass, a toothpick and a matchstick. Once you got all the material in your hand, you are all set to start the experiment. Now before starting the experiment, I would like to explain the application with the help of a simple body like a whiteboard marker. You all would have used any type of marker or any sort of pen and would have even tried to balance it on a fingertip. The point of contact between the finger and the marker is nothing other than the center of mass of the marker. Now I would take an example of another body, that is a fork. In a fork, one part of the fork is heavier than the other, and when we will try to balance it, we will find out that its center of mass is slightly towards the heavier side. Now we will find the center of mass of a complex body. In order to make it, we need to connect two forks with each other. You make sure that the forks are connected with each other properly. Now place it on your fingertip and you will see that the fork is balanced completely. Now making the body further more complex, firstly fix the two forks with each other. This time we will use a toothpick and place it at the point where the two forks are connected with each other. Now make sure the toothpick is completely joined with the forks and also it is slightly towards the center of the joint of the forks. Now you need a glass and the setup which you made before and place it at the edge of the glass and you will be surprised to see that the whole setup got balanced on the glass. Even if you will try to topple the setup, it will not fall. But what will happen if you will try to burn the part of the toothpick which is not connected to the fork? For this, you need a matchbox. Now light up the matchstick and burn the part of the toothpick which is not connected to the forks. You will be surprised to see that even on burning the part of the toothpick which was not connected to the forks remained balanced on the edge of the glass. So this was the whole experiment and now you have learned how to find out the center of mass of a complex body. Thanks for watching.